With the use of solar power is on the rise, you may be wondering about solar panel maintenance.
This is the simple task of maintaining your solar panels to be in good working condition. Typically, solar panels don't require extensive maintenance procedures. As long as you keep your panels clean and free from things like dirt and debris, you should have relatively low maintenance.
Let's start with the main question. Do solar panels need maintenance?
Yes, solar maintenance is a necessary step to ensure your panel output is maximized and giving you the most energy as possible.
You should perform a maintenance check on your panels about 2 to 4 times a year. For a more specific time frame, refer to your owner manual as companies vary on maintenance guidelines to avoid solar panel repair.
The best time of the year to perform your solar service is in the spring or fall.
Not only is the weather more suitable, panels typically develop more dust and debris following the winter and summer months. Fall is especially an ideal time to clean your panels due to foliage buildup. What is the common maintenance for solar panels? When getting solar panel maintenance, the only thing you need to do is a good cleaning and an annual inspection. If your panels are working properly, they won't need extensive additional maintenance. You can also hire a professional to perform an annual inspection if you'd rather have a pro do the job. What is the best way to clean solar panels?
The most important thing to remember when cleaning solar panels yourself is to not scratch them in any way. For the best results, simply use water and a soft sponge or cloth to clean away dirt, dust, and any debris. Treat your panels like you would with any other glass in your house. Dry them like you would windows with a squeegee to avoid leaving residue behind.
Solar panel maintenance cost. Warranties can cover some of the solar panel maintenance cost with performance guarantees.
But you can also opt to have a professional service come to tend your panels.
This can cost on average between $150 to $300 annually.
If you want a professional annual solar panel inspection, you can expect to pay about $150. Cleanings can cost around $150 for each maintenance of solar panels. This is why we suggest checking your warranty and any performance guarantees you may be able to take advantage of. Cleaning it yourself is simple and free.
We will cover how to clean your panels in the next section.
How much is a solar panel inspection? The national average cost of solar panel inspections, from trained professionals, ranges from $150 to $300. Expert inspections ensure that you're gaining the maximum return on your solar power investment. While cleaning your panels may be an easy DIY activity, we highly recommend getting a professional annual inspection of your system.
We hope you found this video helpful.
If you are looking for ways to increase the energy efficiency and sustainability in your home, be sure to take a look at all of the latest renewable energy options in your area.
The Energy Professor helps residential and small business owners find qualified energy suppliers in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Texas, Ohio, Maryland, Illinois, and Massachusetts.